We have a lot of SACCOs operating in this country. So, what are some of the factors that you may consider when deciding which SACCO to join? So, number one factor that you may consider, in fact, number one factor that you should consider, it is ensuring that the SACCO you join or you intend to join is regulated. So every financial institution has a body that regulates such institutions. For the commercial banks, the same way for the commercial banks, we have the Central Bank of Kenya. For SACCOs, we have SASRA. So whichever SACCO you intend to join, ensure that the SACCO is regulated by SASRA. It does not mean that a SACCO that is regulated by SASRA cannot collapse, because we have seen banks that are regulated by CBK collapsing. It's just a matter of chances. A SACCO that is regulated is less likely to collapse compared to a SACCO that is not regulated. So this information is available in the internet. SASRA releases the list of SACCOs that they regulate or they have accredited every year. So you can just go and check the list that has been produced for this year. And if you're already in a SACCO, it's also good. Take your time. Go and download that list and confirm if your SACCO is under the list of SACCOs regulated by SASRA. And if it is not there, I think the best thing you can do is run. Then the other factor you can consider is the dividend rates. Of course, okay, maybe I don't know about you, but for me, when it comes to interest, the higher the interest, the better. So you can try and search for that SACCO that is offering relatively quite high interest rates. Then the other thing you can consider is accessibility. So how is that SACCO accessible? If you have an issue, how is it accessible? You cannot go, even if a SACCO is giving high rates of interest, you cannot join a SACCO that is the most corner of Kenya, in a village with no electricity and water, simply because they are offering interest rate and they just have a SACCO branch at some corner of the country. So find or look for that SACCO that you can easily access. They have branches, so they are quite accessible. The other thing that you can consider is do you have common members in that SACCO? Because majority of people join SACCOs with the intention of having some loans or cheap credit, as you can say. But you find that one of the requirements when taking a loan is that you need guarantors who must be members of that SACCO. So in case you need a facility, will you have people in common whom you know in that SACCO who can act as your guarantors? And that's why it is highly encouraged that you join a SACCO that is, if you have a SACCO that is aligned with your workplace or your profession, it is easier to join because it is easy to find some common members in that group who might assist you in that regard. The other thing is definitely you join a SACCO that offers a product that suits your need. People have different needs, so just get a SACCO that you feel like they align with your needs. Then try and get a SACCO where you can be able to access your accounts via mobile banking. In this era 2024, banking hall is not somewhere that you should be seen often. So you should be able to do everything on your own at the convenience of your home, at the convenience of your workplace. So it would be better to get a SACCO where you can be able to maybe do mobile banking, internet banking, such. So those are some of the factors that you may consider before joining a SACCO.